Hello, and welcome to the super exciting very first episode of Whatever Was Stone on YouTube. It's going to be exciting. Everyone's excited. We're all happy to be here. Today, we're all excited. Everyone's happy to be here. I got a special treat for you today. A good first episode because we're going to be going over some shit I can't find myself online, which is how to work on and replace the control board. Is it control board? Yeah. How to replace the control board for a RHEEM electric heater. So, let's get to it. Okay, so here's our control board we're going to be replacing. Pretty standard. Pretty run-of-the-mill. Nothing crazy. And once I get under there, I'll explain why I am replacing it. And why I'm not going to let some frickin' company do it for millions of dollars. I can do it myself. And after this video, you can too. Okay, first thing we're going to do is turn off the power. Wasn't that easy? But not power to the whole house, just for the air mover. So, you don't want to have to reset all the clocks in the house. It's been like 40s, 50s during the day, colder at night, obviously. So, I'm trying to get this done before it gets real cold at the end of the week. So the only tool I think I'll need are these pliers here. These are the ideal tool. You get it? Hey-ho. And I hate when I watch videos and they take forever to get to the point, so I'm going to get to the point. Luckily, the air mover is not too far. Oh, I'm going to need my frickin' drill to get that panel off. I just remembered. Luckily, the air mover's right there. It's not too far off. It's just there's half a rower's in the way that my buddy will not tell me how to put back together. So maybe we'll get another video on that going soon because I can't find anything on that either. So luckily, we got some lights down here, some Christmas lights that go the whole length of the crawl space. So pretty awesome. I just noticed since being down here for the first time since that HVAC kid was here, he lost one of my damn freaking little screws here. Pretty fucking cool. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take our drill and we're going to put on a whatever 1/4 inch, I think it is. Yeah, 1/4 inch. I don't know what the hell this thing's called. This bit. I'm the worst handyman on earth. Have I mentioned that? And we're going to take these off here. First, make sure the power's off. I'm going to pull out this fuse or whatever you want to call that. Don't lose these bolts like that kid did. And then with that same, God, what's this thing called? With that same bit, we're going to remove this, which is covering up the control panel, which is where we need to get to. And wham! Here's our control board. Let's take a look. Let's take a closer look. Hard to read here, but that's a RHEEM. Serial number is W3222766631. So, here's our control panel here. And don't worry, I'm going to take 4,000 pictures of this from every conceivable angle so I can make sure I'm putting everything back in the right way. Before I unplug it, I'm going to make sure it's the right one. So pretty much what happened when that HVAC kid was down here, he was, touching some wires. I don't remember which one it was. And then there was a spark, which pretty much tells him that the control board is going bad because the solder points are failing. And he says that happens pretty often with these RHEEM ones because it's mounted to the blower motor. And all that vibration, over time degrades these. And he actually said it's pretty common in these RHEEMs. So if this thing ever takes a freaking giant crap and stops working for me, I'm going to not get a RHEEM. Mitigate that, which I'm not going to do right now, is to these bolts that are holding this whole piece onto the blow motor. I'm going to take off and I'm going to put rubber and polyurethane O-rings on the other side. So that'll hopefully help mitigate some of the vibration for everything involved here. And, Hopefully that'll solve the problem for good, for now at least. Okay, so now I'm going to go get that new control board, and I want to make sure everything fits in there. Well, it's going to fit, but I'm going to make sure all the plugins are the same. They're all in the same spot, the same number of plugs, different things. Looks like there's a fuse, 3 big plugins, and 3 little plugins. So should be pretty easy to verify. I'm gonna go get that thing, and I'm gonna get to it. I've been trying to be very gentle with this because, you know, these things are made out of freaking paper almost, or shaboos. Let me take it out of here. I hope I don't need to be grounded for this, because I'm not, and I don't know how well this encapsulation freaking stuff here, builds up static and all that. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that so pretty? Best thing I think to do is take up this whole control board. However that happens. And I guess just put it back. I mean, put the new one on, and then put the new one on, and freaking go from there. I don't know the best way. I guess snipping these would be the best. I didn't bring my snipper, so that's not good. Or maybe taking this off, swinging it around, and I can undo. Let me get the snip. Okay, so I got my snips here. I'm gonna come up here on the back of the thing here. Should have brought my headlamp. I'll try to snip these off. Hopefully it doesn't make it even harder. Cause boy, do I love making shit harder. Okay, yeah, that's awesome. Perfect. All right, we're out of there. Beautiful. I love to see it. I'm freaking zip this back on here. I know what you're thinking. Oh, Stone, why are you putting the rubber and polyurethane fucking O-rings on her now? So, get the vibration taken care of now, because I don't have them, right? I don't have them right now. So anyway, which holes were they in? Had to be these, right? So take this and gently move it over here. I'm gonna take this bad boy. Yep. We're gonna push that in here. Want to make sure it's gonna go in enough. Oh, I heard one click. I don't like this. Do not like this. I don't like dealing with very what's the word? Sensitive? No. Delicate. I don't like doing delicate stuff. I'm a big fucking gorilla. So, this stuff makes me nervous. I'm just gonna snap this in half. I remember ripping the freaking front plastic grill off my buddy's truck because I was trying to help him put something on. And I was pulling it for him and I just ripped it off by accident. Okay, we're in there. So now, and it comes with a fuse. How handy is that? Man, there is no comfortable position to be in here, and I'm sliding all over the place on this freaking vapor barrier. That's what I was worried about happening. I want to make it through the roof here. Oh, look what I just did. Look what I just did. Oh, God. Oh, God. I mean, what's a good how-to video without a little bit of setback? So I'm going to have to review the film here, figure out where that wire came from, and go from there. Ended up having to review all my pictures and videos. I didn't take as many good pictures as I thought I did for this, but that came out from there. I put it on there before I reviewed the tape because that's where it looked like it came from. I'm sure you know why that makes sense. And I'll put a picture in the video of where I was actually able to confirm that's where it went. So, that's it. We're back. We're back, baby. Before I confirm that we are indeed back, that we have indeed arrived, I'm going to put that fuse in here before I lock up this whole thing and put all the crap back on. You know how it is. You fucking put everything back on, you're not done. So, I'm going to go turn the power on. Okay, power's on. I'm hearing things. Oh, Lord, I'm hearing things. Let me look at the, whatever the hell this thing is. Oh, yeah. Because I wasn't getting power to the thermostat thing. Because the bad, oh, God. Those lights weren't on before. So, now I gotta go turn the power off. Okay. Oh. I decided to turn the power off, took a picture of the thermostat on, forgot to turn it off. Son of a bitch. All right, welcome back. For now we are sure it's working. We gotta put everything back. Gotta take out that fuse or whatever that is. I don't know. Not really an HVAC guy, but I know how to unplug stuff and I know how to plug it back in usually. So try to find somewhere to get comfortable here. Impossible. This ground's not level. So I want to direct these wires up this way. We're still being careful. Remember, we're still being careful. There's a little tab on this side of this cover here, and a little hole over there. So line that up. Get that in there. Here's our screws we didn't lose. Thank you very much, Mr. HVAC man. It's not a big deal. He was a good kid. See that catch? See that catch? Now it's time to put this cover on. When I took this off the first time, there was some mold right here. So I made sure I sprayed it with bleach. Wiped it off, let it dry, all that stuff before I put it back on. Because that's, your air is coming through here. You want to make sure there's no mold. Now that I saw that, probably be something I check, every now and then. Especially when I'm feeling a little coffee, Fucking, oh my God. It is not comfortable under here. This isn't a gorilla's natural habitat. Too much yapping. I'm all yacked out. I wonder if I have anything in here that I could use. I've had this little tool thing here forever. It's a little Craftsman. And you get this little spot here where you can put some stuff. It's alright for now. We'll be back. Did I tighten this one? Yeah. So, one last thing. Take a fuse. Make sure you're putting it in the right way. There is the wrong way. Put her in there. We should be done. God, are we done? I think we're done. God, we're done. Alright, time to crawl on out of here. See ya.
A few moments later.
You're not gonna believe what I just found. Trying to crawl out of here. Oh, it's our last fucking bolt. Hell yeah. If only that kid had eyeballs, he might have seen that. Wow, that's secure. Alright, now I'm out of here. See ya. Hello, bonjour. Hola, ¿cómo estás? I eventually want to go back to not this, because it is pretty, I don't like it. The eco helps, I guess, in the night, but I turn it down to like 68 or something, 67 when I go to sleep. And it's like, oh, it's 7 in the morning. It's time to get hot again, or 6 in the morning, and then it freaking turns on, and it wakes me up because it's so freaking warm. So I don't like that. I don't know how to turn it off. I put it in vacation mode, and then it sees me walking around, I guess, and it's like, oh, somebody's here. Turn off vacation mode. So I don't know if I want to go up to 69. Now, I'm used to the freaking cold now. It's been like this for weeks. So let's get that. That's pretty nice. See? How do I stop that from happening? I don't know. Maybe if I figure it out, I'll make a video about it and we can watch it. You guys can watch it. I'll make it. But, all right. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed my first ever YouTube video. I usually do this on my Snapchat story, and then if I remember to save it, it's saved. It's not. It's gone. Whatever. You know, I've been getting a lot of people telling me I should do this on YouTube. So, I like to do how-to videos. You know, how to do that. And the reason I did that is because it's hard to find videos on electric heaters, and you know, everyone's always looking for a way to do things, just to be, even if they know how to, just to be assured, which is I like to do. I do videos on how to change the oil, how to change the tire, and I force people to do it, and you guys get to watch. So let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you hated it. Let me know if I did anything wrong and my house is gonna explode or burn down. So, I guess that's it for now. I'll edit this at some point. When? I don't fucking know.